With the Ridgid RT series of thermal imagers, high tech is easy to understand. Predict, prevent, perform. The Ridgid RT series allows you to predict problems before they happen, prevent costly system downtimes, and keep systems running at the highest levels of performance. This video will give you an overview of the imager's features and setup. The models look and operate similarly, but features and thermal camera resolution vary by model number. For complete instructions and information, refer to the product manual. On the front of the device, you'll find the large screen for displaying images, menus, and functions, and the intuitive controls allow for easy operation. The USB port is for both power charging and connecting to a computer. On the back of the unit, you'll find the camera lenses, the rechargeable battery compartment, and the trigger which saves the displayed image. The display screen shows a live infrared image, as well as the temperature range and your current status selections. Now let's get started. Turn the unit on, and the start screen appears on the display. Open the menu to access the measurement settings, image gallery, and other configuration items. Easily call up menu functions by assigning them to the convenient Quick Select button. Before capturing an image, adjust the settings to account for the conditions at the site. Incorrect setup and use can result in incorrect or inaccurate measurements. Open the measurement submenu and select the measuring function that is best for your purposes. See the product manual for more information on each option. Now set the scale. Scaling influences the way infrared images are displayed. The automatic scaling function continuously adjusts the lower and upper limit temperature ranges to the readings presented, as well as the colors assigned to a temperature value change. Choose the manual scaling function to fix the lower and upper limit temperature ranges and colors important for image comparisons. The Scale Assist function displays a standardized scale set based on the inside and outside temperatures of a building. Undesired extreme temperatures are automatically filtered out of the image, making infrared images comparable no matter how variable the conditions are, which is critical in before and after images. Materials with different surface characteristics generate different images. They can be opaque, transparent, reflective, or non-reflective. To get the most accurate measurements, you'll need to adjust the emissivity and reflected temperature coefficient, or RTC. Set the emissivity, which represents the energy radiated by a particular material. Set the RTC, which compensates for thermal background energy. Both of these measures can be set automatically using the E-markers and the E-assist function. Affix the E-marker to the center of the surface, select the emissivity function, select E-assist. The thermal imager automatically reads the E-marker and sets the emissivity and the reflected temperature. Select a color palette from a variety of options to meet your personal preferences. Palettes with greater color variation are helpful when there are larger temperature differences to better visualize the temperatures. Now select the image type you want displayed. You can switch between infrared images and real images. Activate the Min-Max On area function to display the minimum, maximum, and mean temperature values for a selected area. To save an image, first focus the thermal imager on the area that you want to analyze. Press the trigger. The image is automatically saved both as an infrared image and an attached real image. If a higher resolution image is required, select the Super Resolution function, which calculates an image with twice the native camera resolution. The RT9X model has a zoom function, which allows you to zoom in on an area with more clarity from greater distances. Infrared images are saved in a BMT format, which includes all the temperature data you see on the display screen. The image can also be saved as a JPEG at the same time. However, this format does not include temperature data. Images saved to the image gallery can be displayed, analyzed, or deleted. To analyze images, you can use a number of different measurement functions. See the product manual for more information on each function. The Ridgid models RT5X, RT7X, and RT9X integrate wirelessly with the Ridgid Thermal app for Apple and Android. Transfer compact reports and images to your device, then view and organize your files, perform analysis, and share reports. Use a USB cable to connect the thermal imager to a computer or similar device to retrieve and view your saved images. You are now ready to use your Ridgid RT series thermal imager to analyze and evaluate thermal issues quicker, more easily, and more accurately. From the brand with a nearly 100-year history of unmatched quality and products people trust every day, Ridgid. Remember to refer to the owner's manual for complete instructions for each model. You can also visit ridgid.com for more information. Predict, prevent, perform.